For problem 3, it seems like we have one giant math expression. So my first step is to break up this giant expression into smaller steps. The first function that we have is the exponent, which is applied to the 2, 3 list. And then the next one is subtraction. Div is applied to the resulting of these two numbers. And finally, we square that resulting div number. So my first step is to determine the value of those two inner functions. exp 2, 3 is just 2 to the third, which is equal to 8. sub, or subtraction, 10, 8 is just 10 minus 8, which is 2. To keep myself organized, I have rewritten the function with the new values. The next step is div 8, 2, which is just 8 divided by 2, or 4. Now we just have one final function, which is square of 4. That's just 4 squared, so the final answer is 16.